Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Thank you for clicking Nana's channel if you are new, and welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. And I believe you guys had a good time ushering in the 2025. And also you had your plans for the whole year, day by day, week by week, month by month, or some of you might have the whole year plan. I wish you all the best and practice. Everything that I'm teaching you, practice. You become good at what I'm teaching you. Anyway, I took a whole week off, or almost a week off. Now I'm back. But let's continue. We're gonna make these two pieces. I have all my pieces cut, so let me go around and switch the camera around to see my pieces, and then I will adjust it, go to the machine and start sewing. Okay, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. This is from my leftover fabric. So this is the dress that I've cut everything out, all the pieces. Okay, cut all the pieces of the dress, and I'm using all cotton. I like the natural fabrics more than synthetic and all that. I prefer using those fabric. Okay, and this is the sleeves for the jacket. So it's a lace fabric, and I believe you have all your notions. You've read through the instructions, taking your measurement before cutting your pattern. So again, I'm going to switch you off, go to the machine, and I'm going to start sewing. Okay, so give me a minute. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, with this outfit, I'm following the sheet, the instruction sheet. Okay, so this is the first thing that I'm doing. The bodice top. The name isn't coming. As soon as I get the name, I will say it. Make sure you, as I always say, match your notches. went too far before back stitching. I'm notching the armhole curve. And then I'm going to press it. And then we're going to continue from there. I'm using the wrong scissors to clip. I hope I don't dull my scissors. I better stop. I didn't have enough fabric, so you see, I had to join. That's the lining anyway, so it won't show. I had to join it just to have enough fabric. Okay then, I'm gonna iron it and I'll be back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, this part is done. And I'm gonna understitch the lining. Is the same fabric. Understitch from the side seam all the way up to as far as I can get, and then a center front also. I'm going to do the same. Understitch from the bottom all the way as far as I can get, and I will do it off camera, and then we're going to crisscross and do our band. Okay, let me pin it so it will be easier for you to see what I'm talking about. Just roughly pinning it. Okay, I'll do that after the understitch. So this will be the end of the, okay, let me come up so you can see my face. This will be the end of the video, and I'll see you next week. So happy sewing and bye-bye for now. Happy New Year. Belated Happy New Year. See you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.